Feel free to download a 100% in-house sound effects pack from Filmmasters. All designer sound effects have been created by Filmmasters in Adobe Audition. They are free to use in all of your projects. If you want to win a loot crate, which is a box full of geeky goodness, my gift to you for all of your support. Just like and comment on any video on this channel. A loot crate will be given away once a month, and make sure you're a subscriber so you don't miss out. Winners announced at the end of all new videos uploaded. To make sure you don't miss out, turn on the notification icon, put a tick in the box to receive all notifications, and select save. The more comments, the more chances you have to win. Good luck, and thanks for watching. Here's last month's winner from lootcrate.com. If you are the winner, private message me by going to the About in my homepage, send a message, and put in the following details: your name, postal address, shirt size in small, medium, or large.